विशिष्टम परिवार समस्त को मोर अंतर गभीरतम प्रदेश भक्तिवृत प्रणाम। प्रभु पाद तले प्रणति ढाले तोली पूजा फूल संज सकाळे। प्रभु पाद तले प्रणति ढाले प्रभु पाद तले प्रणति ढाले तोली पूजा फूल संज सकाळे। तोली पूजा फूल संज सकाळे प्रभु पाद तले प्रणति ढाळे। प्रभु पाद तले प्रणति ढाळे। मंगलमाया तुम्हारी करुणा जीवन रे भारी सकल कामना। जीवन रे भारी सकल कामना। शांतिर सुर तोली प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। चलिबाकु तुमे देखाइछ पथ गाइबाकु तुमे शिखाइछ गीत। गाइबाकु तुमे शिखाइछ गीत। गाएनि वेदन सुरे प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। तोली पूजा फूल संज सकाळे। तोली पूजा फूल संज सकाळे प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। प्रभु पद तले प्रणति ढाळे। धन्यवाद। वर्तमान से जगन्नाथकर चरणार बिंद जुगल प्रदीप प्रज्वलन मु आजिकार मुख्य वक्ता को अनुरोध करुछि। मुख्य वक्ता हेले प्रोफेसर निरंजन पाढ़ी तथा सभार सभापति को मध्य अनुरोध करुछि से आज जोगयुक्त करंतु। शतदल कमले रत्नसिंहासनस्थं सर्वालंकार युक्तं नवघन रुचिरं संयुतं चाग्रजेनं भद्राया वामभागे रथचरणयुतं ब्रह्मरुद्रेन्द्रवन्द्यं वेदानां सारमेशं स्वजन परिवृतं ब्रह्मदारुं स्मरामि। खरवं स्थूलतनुं गजेन्द्रवदनं लंबोदरं सुन्दरं प्रस्यन्दन् मधुगन्धलुब्धमधुपं व्यालोलगण्डस्थलं दंताघात विदारितारिरुधिरे सिन्दूरशोभाकरम् वन्दे शैलसुता श्रुतं गणपति सिद्धिप्रदं कामदम् दीपज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनम् दीपं मे हरतु पापं संध्यादीपो नमोस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आगता धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धे विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने सुभद्रा प्राणनाथाय जगन्नाथाय ते नमः जगन्नाथाय ते नमः जगन्नाथाय ते नमः जगदानन्दकन्दाय प्रणतार्तिहराय च नीलाचल निवासाय जगन्नाथाय ते नमः शांति। धन्यवाद।
Our Wisdom Fraternity. Today we are going to celebrate the annual meet of our forum. So this is a special day because with this day we observe our performances whole day, that we have achieved the goal that this forum has been continuing since 4 years without fail and without excuse. We have already conducted 49 seminars in regular intervals, and today we have with us Dr. Niranjan Padhi, Professor of Philosophy. He is a very good orator, writer and columnist, and he is a very good gentleman, and his real identity is that he is a gentleman and very good, and his personality is very good personality. And I have worked with him for 2 or 3 years in Suraj Mal Saha College. So we feel honored having him in this occasion. And we have with us Srijukta Purushottamananda, one of the members of this forum. And I shall request him to read the annual report.
उपस्थित समस्त निमंत्रित अतिथि एवं उपस्थित समस्त सुधीवृंद को मोर नम्र नमस्कार। आज ये शीतुआ संध्यार विजडम इंटेलेक्चुअल फोरम पुरी तरफ अनुष्ठित होता चतुर्थ वार्षिक उत्सव बा एनुअल मीट को मुझे हार्दिक स्वागत जणे एनुअल प्रोसीडिंग्स पढ़ापी जाऊँगी। Annual proceedings for the year 2017. Wisdom Intellectual Forum Puri. Wisdom Intellectual Forum Puri, inaugurated on 15th December 2013, event on 4th annual meet, dated 10th December 2017. Wisdom Intellectual Meet is an association of value-oriented individuals which meets at least once on the second Sunday of every month at 6:15 p.m. in Hotel Naik Beach Resort Puri to discuss on social relevant topics, inviting eminent speakers who have expertise on the subject. This forum entertains an interactive session for the audience in the agenda of every meet to ask questions to the speakers and share their opinions and suggestions. The purpose of this forum is to create positive vibrations around us by sensitizing each other through value-centric and thought-provoking discussions among the intellectuals from the cross-section of the society, including young scholars and students. The purpose of our humble effort is to bring change in the mindset of the people of our society and make ourselves free from old age dogmas, preoccupied thoughts and fond beliefs by initiating right knowledge, right action and right devotion. Wisdom Intellectual Meet completed its 4th year successfully. Our forum has conducted 49 seminar meetings in the period of 4 years, regularly every month without exception and excuse. Wisdom Intellectual Forum is growing in quality by the grace of the Almighty. The second chapter of Wisdom Intellectual Forum has been inaugurated in Noyagarh town on 13th November 2016, and since 1 year, this forum is organizing monthly seminar programs regularly and successfully. We are immensely grateful and deeply indebted to the esteemed members of Wisdom Intellectual Forum Puri for their kind cooperation and inspiring involvement in the academic activities of this forum. We are deeply obliged to Engineer Narasingha Mahanti and Sri Chukta Ashok Mishra for having sponsored 1 month's wisdom program in the regular intervals. We are obliged to all the invited speakers and guests who have contributed their precious time and shared valuable knowledge and experience with us as and when they are invited to this forum. We extend our gratitude to the Managing Director and all the functionaries of the hotel Naik Beach Resort, Puri. We wish a very bright future of this forum through the graceful and unfailing help of all the members and invitees of our Wisdom fraternity. On behalf of Wisdom family, we heartily greet the Chief Speaker of this auspicious evening, Professor Niranjan Padhi, and extend our high esteem and obligation for attending this annual meet of Wisdom Intellectual Forum. President, Wisdom Intellectual Forum, Puri. Now I am giving the details of seminars held. Seminars held by Wisdom Intellectual Forum, Puri for the year 2017. In the month of December 2016, speaker was Dr. Janmanjay Dwivedi. That was the annual meet also, 2016. Topic was Man and Evolution, presided by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 80 and the expenditure incurred was 7,000. January 2017, Srijukta Prashant Mishra was the speaker. Topic was Classical Music and Spirituality, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and expenditure incurred was 5,000. In the month of February 2017, speaker was Professor Prafulla Chandra Mishra. Topic was Suffering of Life, presided by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 70 and the expenditure was 5,000. March 2017, speaker was Srijukta Mrutyunjay Panda. Topic was Culture and Society, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 40 and the expenditure was 6,000. April 2017, Srijukta M.A. Kharagal Swami. Topic was Society and Social Values, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 70 and the expenditure incurred was 6,000. May 2017, the speaker was Ashirvad Das. Topic was The Game of Life, presided over by Srijukta Golok Bihari Satpathy. Guests attended 70 and the expenditure was 5,000. June 2017, speaker was Dr. Harihar Mishra. Topic was Secularism, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and the expenditure was 5,000. July 2017, speaker was Srijukta Prasanjit Mahanti. Topic was Role of Broadcasting in Present Scenario, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and the expenditure incurred was 6,000. August 2017, Srijukta Pramod Kumar Das was the speaker. Topic was Jnana, Karma and Bhakti, presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and the expense was 5,000. September 2017, speaker was Dr. Chayakant Sarangi. Topic was knowledge and wisdom, and it was also presided by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and the expense was 6,000. October 2017, Srijukta Bhimasen Agnihotri. Topic was Vedic knowledge in the present day of life. Presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50. Expenditure was 6,000. In the month of November 2017, speaker was Dr. D.P. Sandha. Topic was Ladders to Heaven. Presided over by Pramod Kumar Das. Guests attended 50 and the expenditure was 6,000. The total expenditure was 68,000 only. That is on an average 6,500 approximately per meet. Yes. Then esteemed members of Wisdom Intellectual Forum Puri. I am reading the name of the esteemed members. Name of the yearly members: Srijukta Pramod Kumar Das, due month and year January 17 to December 17, amount paid 1,500. Srimati Swarnalata Tripathi, Engineer Narasingha Mahanti, Srijukta Purna Khatwa, Srijukta Jogeshwar Mahapatra, Srijukta Vibhudaranjan Mahapatra, Srimati Swasmita Mahapatra, Srimati Charulata Mishra, Dr. Indraji, Srijukta Padmacharan Patra, Srimati Pratibha Prabhati Mishra, Srijukta Vijay Kumar Panda, Srimati Nirupama Mishra, Srijukta Santosh Kumar Patra, Srijukta Sudhakar Mahapatra, Srimati Nirmala Mahapatra, Dr. Narahari Mishra, Srijukta Bharat Ojha, Professor Nalinikanta Mahapatra, Professor Purnima Mahapatra, Srimati Swasmita Das, Srijukta Purushottam Nanda, Srijukta Dhananjaya Mund, Professor Basanti Devi, Srijukta Brajakishwar Jena, Professor Arati Das, Srimati Padmini Das, Srijukta Umakanta Mahapatra, Srimati Krishnapriya Acharya, Professor Bauribandhu Sahu, Srijukta Ashok Mishra, Dr. Kumar Arojit, Srijukta Ashok Kumar Sahu, Srijukta Baria Kisku, Srijukta Prashanta Mishra, Dr. Harihar Mishra, এবং sponsorship was from Engineer Narasingha Mahanti and Srijukta Ashok Mishra. Total collection for the year 2017 was 65,000. Total expenditure for that year was 68,000. Total deficit for the year 2017 3,000 rupees 3,000. Total deficit for last 3 years 13,300. Deficit for the current year, that is 2017, 3,000. Total deficit till the date 16,300. This is the proceedings of the today's meet. Srijukta Purushottam Nanda and Srimati Rasmita Nanda have sponsored the expenditure for the annual meet 2017, and the expenditure amount shall be reflected in the proceeding of the next year.
Vijnana Vishwasa, science and faith. So now, without delay, we shall invite Dr. Niranjan Padhi to deliver his talk.
Namaskar. Dear President Dr. Pramod Das and the learning members of the Wisdom Intellectual Forum, ladies and gentlemen, before starting my turn to address on the topic allotted to me on science and belief or science and faith, I would simply like to go back to the origin of this forum when Dr. Das has requested me to be a part of this, although I am staying in Bhubaneswar. But I have all respect for the endeavor he has created to at least float the idea of divinity, morality, social responsibility, and political and economic also. All these things, they are relevant to the human living. First of all, as a student of philosophy, I would like to throw light on the name of this forum, that Wisdom Intellectual Forum. And I am reminded of the historic version of T.S. Eliot. Once, with all pain and all complexities of his literary belief, he has put it in a way that I search for life, life is lost in living. I search for wisdom, wisdom is lost in knowledge. I search for knowledge, knowledge is lost in information. Friends, the young men of the present day society you are coming across, they are well equipped with information but not with knowledge. And whatsoever knowledge is coming to us needs to be refined, needs to be rationalized so that it will take the shape of wisdom. I am really thankful to the endeavor created by you all, and more particularly my younger brother, friend, and who belongs to my philosophy fraternity, Dr. P.K. Das, for having at least elevated to the human height to a standard which we are lacking now in the days of advanced technology. So I am really happy with the name that Wisdom is Wisdom Intellectual Forum, where at least knowledge in its refined form is being discussed every second Saturday, second Sunday, or at least once in a month. The thing is, I was not allotted this topic, Vigyana or Vishwas. The thing is, I asked Mr. Dr. Das that what should be the medium of communication. I am as comfortable as in English as I am in my own language, that is Odia. But I believe that the learned audience, they understand both the language. So I started with English. But definitely, I would like to interact with you in my own language. Because you must be knowing that Robert Frost, his poem, historic poem, Woods are lovely, dark and deep. I have promises to keep, miles to go before I sleep. When this piece of poetic gesture was translated by our great Odia poet, Dr. Mayadhar Mansingh, it sounds like this, that Sundara jetiki, andhara setiki, ei je gahana bana, ତେଣୁ ତୁ ଆପଣା ସଂକଳ୍ପେ ଅଡଳ ଅଚଳ ରହରେ ମନ, ଆଗକୁ ପଡ଼ିଛି ପଥ ବହୁ ଦୂର ତଥାପି ରହିଛି ବାକି, ଚାଲିବି ଚାଲିବି ନ ପଡ଼ିବି ଥକି, ମୁଦିବା ଆଗରୁ ଆଖି. Just try to compare both the things. The piece written by Robert Frost and the piece translated by Dr. Mayadhar Mansingh. Definitely, the latter was touching both our mind and heart, because we used to utter it in our language that we are given from our motherland. However, I must start the topic Vigyana or Vishwas, and I must try to go back when Dr. Das requested me to talk on a subject that is quite nearer to my philosophical endeavor, or the philosophical exercise that I am used to. What is that? Individual man and universal man. I was quite comfortable with that. But because I am a columnist of Odia newspaper Dharitri, and every fortnightly my column comes on first Sunday and third Sunday of a month. Some days back, there was an article like Vigyano Vishwas. So after going through that article, Dr. Das, I was not in Bhubaneswar, I was in Pune with my elder son. Dr. Das telephoned me and expressed his desire that, sir, let us change the topic, because the topic that you have written in Dharitri is so touchy and so catchy also. I wished that it should be discussed in our forum. So with a very little interval, I was given to at least prepare what to speak, because anybody or everybody, those who are sitting in this hall, not in the dais, they are not less learned than the persons, those who are adoring this chair in the dais. Because learning is something like an intellectual interaction between the speaker and the listener. It is just not like a one-man show that someone will go on just switching it on, someone will go on speaking and switching it off, you stop speaking. It's not like that. It's just an interaction. बंधुगण, विज्ञान और विश्वास विषय आपण को मानकु आगरो आरंभ करिया पूर्व जेहेतु मु जने दर्शन छात्र मोर बंधु माने अछंती जो माने मोर पाठ सहित मोर व्यक्तित्व सहित किछि मात्रा परिचित, लाइक माय फ्रेंड निहार पटनायक, प्रकाश त्रिपाठी, से माने विज्ञान और विश्वास कथा कहला कि हम लाग्यो जेहेतु मोर फिलोसफी स्टूडेंट, everything starts with belief, no doubt. Because when a child was born to his mother's lap, when he comes down from his mother's womb to see the first light of this world, he was not equipped, or he is not equipped with knowledge. So the first lesson the child starts learning is the lesson of belief, not of knowledge. There is a very sub difference between knowledge and belief. Knowledge is either true or false, but belief is neither true nor false. Suppose if I say, put a statement Devi, I am in Baleshwar. This is also a knowledge, but it's a wrong knowledge because I am in Puri. So knowledge is either true or false. It can be falsified with the empirical test. Whenever my experience is extended, I must try that whatever I am making a statement, whether it is true or false. So the test of truth or the falsity makes a knowledge true or false. But belief is not like that. I believe that God exists. I believe that the cyclonic storm has taken leave of Odisha and is not going to come back again. But who knows that my belief may not come true. Kali puni authare batyara pheri asi pare ebong batya hi pare. So human knowledge and human belief, there is the difference. My friend Dr. Das and anybody who was a student of philosophy must know general philosophy रे हस्पर्शन रे बढ़िया चमत्कार उदाहरण टे थिला. What is the difference between belief and knowledge? Once a patient went to a doctor and declares, "Doctor, you see me, I am dead. So doctor was a bit taken aback. So he was talking to me. How is it that you are dead? No, I believe the dead man talks. So the doctor was disturbed and puzzled how to deal with that patient who is all convinced that he is dead. He wanted to convince him that, you see, a dead man never talks. You are talking to me. And it is the existentialistic evidence that you are not dead. But the patient was not prepared to accept this truth. The patient claims that yes, I am dead because I believe that a dead man talks. So the doctor, what he does, he was so much irritated and disturbed, he wanted to punish that patient, he wanted to get rid of that patient. So what he does, मुरा के इंग्लिश कहता कि जो असुविधा होची की नहीं तो if you are all comfortable with then I am also equally comfortable किंतु ना ओडिया रे मु कहबी most of the as we live with more of the belief and less of the knowledge, likewise we will interact more of the Odia and less of English. However, तो से डॉक्टर जेहेतु गोटे हस्पर्शंग बहरे कथा इंग्लीश लिखाई थी मुझे इंग्लीश एक्जाक्टली आप बाहर प्रेजेंट करुच्छे तो से डॉक्टर कौन कले ना इरिटेट होगी व्हाट इट डज ना इज जस्ट सीरीज टाइम एंड से यस बिफोर पुटिंग द सीरीज इन टू द पेशेंट अच्छा से पेशेंट को पचारे अच्छा मिस्टर पेशेंट डू यू नो दैट ए डेड मैन ब्लीड्स पेशेंट किस समय चिंता कला देखला नो नो ए डेड मैन नेवर ब्लीड्स ये तो रागी की थिले सीरीज टाइम की दले गली जो फिज रक्त बाहर से कहले यू सी नाउ यू आर ब्लीडिंग एंड इट इज द प्रूफ दैट यू आर नॉट डेड द पेशेंट वाज सो कन्विंस्ड एंड सो गाइडेड बाय हिज ओन बिलीफ नॉट फेथ he was again he claims no I was mistaken while conversing with you dead man also bleeds तो मल्ला लोकंकर रक्त बहे नाही बोली से प्रथमे कहितला जते बेले डॉक्टर ताको इंजेक्शन देकी इंजेक्शन रक्त बाहर करले हम कहले जे तू मरी ना से पुणी कहली ना मैं भूल कहितली मु विश्वास करछि मल्ला लोक मानकर मध्य रक्त बहे सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉलेज एंड बिलीफ बिकॉज नॉलेज इज आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स but belief is neither true nor false because knowledge needs some language for its expression. If I say that I know that Prakash Tripathi has attended this meeting, how can Prakash Babu come to know that what I know about him unless I put it in the language? To express the knowledge, if I say I know, yes, what does you know? What do you know? तो यही जिनिसटा को केमिति हम प्रकाश करिया अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी टेक हेल्प ऑफ लैंग्वेज बट बिलीफ डजंट नीड एनी लैंग्वेज बिलीफ इज बिलीफ आ गोटे जिनस आपको मुझे कहना चाहिए रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी गोटे पाठशाला पढ़ नथिले वेल व्हाइल आई वाज मेकिंग ए रिसर्च ऑन स्वामी विवेकानंद फिलोसफी मुझे से जो संपर्कटा को देखुली जे विवेकानंद होचंती फर्स्ट क्लास सेकेंड कलकातार यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेसिडेंसी कॉलेज रामकृष्ण मोटे पाठ पढ़ी ना बड़ बड़ कष्ट से लिखुले गदाधर चट्टोपाध्याय बड़ ग छोट द सिमेट्री किसी नाला बट यू ऑल नो दैट नरेंद्रनाथ दत्त सब बेस्ट टीचर इन हिज लाइफ इज नन अदर देन रामकृष्ण परमहंस सो इट्स नॉट एन एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन दैट गेट्स द स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर यूनाइटेड इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट तेणु रामकृष्ण परमहंस जो विवेकानंद कहले जे तुम गोटे कुंभार गढ़ा काली मूर्ति के रखिक कौच ये मोर माँ आई डोंट बिलीव मुझे किसी जानी ना एगुड़ा आप अंधविश्वास मोटे पाठ पढ़ी न रामकृष्ण परमहंस देव कलिकता यूनिवर्सिटी फर्स्ट क्लास सेकेंड होता नरेंद्रनाथ दत्त को चुप कर देते गोटे कथा कहीकि से कहते कौन कौन तू कहलु एटा अंधविश्वास कौ जुगे विश्वास आखि थिला जे आज सीटा अंध हो तार अर्थ थिला बिलीफ नेवर सीज बिलीफ इज ऑलवेज ब्लाइंड सो टू यूज द वर्ड लाइक अंधविश्वास इज ए सुपरफ्लुअस यूज इट इज ए सुपरफ्लुअस यूज विश्वास माने अंध कारण आप विश्वास देखिपारे ना कि देखई पारे ना आप जो विश्वास एंड द विजन नॉलेज एंड विजन दे नेवर रन इन पैरेलल लाइन दे ऑलवेज मीट एंड इट बिकम्स एन एम्पिरिकल नॉलेज किंतु बिलीफ ता भीतर किसी से सब पैरेलल लाइन में जाती से केबे मिसी परिबे नाही कारण विश्वास को मोटे सजाड़ी हम ना भल कि खराब उचित कि अनुचित ठीक कि भूल तो रामकृष्ण परमहंस प्रत्येक विश्वास हूँ अंध अंधविश्वास बोली किसी शब्द ना तो आम से विश्वास अंधटा से अंधपण विश्वासटा को विभिन्न किसी ज्वलंत दृष्टांत अच्छे आम लोक कथार आप जानी आजिकल तो एडवांस टेक्नोलोजी यंग पिला माने दे आर यूज्ड टू कंसल्ट विथ गूगल और समथिंग लाइक दैट एज इफ दैट इज द मास्टर ऑफ ऑल नॉलेज but they always forget that is simply an instrument which has been put to task only when the human brain is applied, or else just a lifeless machine cannot dance to your tune. But what should you do then? as human beings, we ought to know things. Then where is belief? ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ କଥାରେ ଶୁଣିଥିବେ, ଜଣେ ଗୌରୁଣୀ ଯାଉଥିଲା କ୍ଷୀର ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଋଷି ପାଖକୁ। ସେ ନଦୀ ପାର ହେଇକି ଗଲାବେଳକୁ ନଦୀରେ ଥରେ ବନ୍ୟା ଆସିଛି ଏବଂ ଗୌରୁଣୀ ଯାଇ କହିଲା, ଆଜି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୋର ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଷୀର ଦେଉଛି, ଆଉ ଦେଇପାରିବିନି କାଲିଠୁ, କାହିଁକି ନା ନଦୀରେ ବନ୍ୟା ଆସିଛି ଏବଂ ନଦୀ ମୁଁ ପାର ହେଇକି ଆସିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ, ଇଏ କେମତ କଥା, ତମେ ଆସିପାରିବନି, ମୁଁ ତ କ୍ଷୀର ବିନା କେମିତି ଚଳିବି? ତମେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର, ତମେ ମୋ ନାଁ ସ୍ମରଣ କରିକି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ତୁମକୁ ଦେବି, ସେଇଟାକୁ ଧରିକି ନଦୀକି ପଛରେ ପଶିଯିବ, ନଦୀ ତୁମକୁ ବାଡ଼ି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବ। ଏଇ କଥା ସେ ଗୋଟେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜୋକରେ କହିଥିଲେ, ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ସିରିୟସ୍। ତ ଗୌରୁଣୀକି ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ବାସି ଫୁଲଟାକୁ ଧରେଇଦେଲେ। ଗୌରୁଣୀ ଗଲା, ତାପର ଦିନ ଗାଈ ଦୁଇଁକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ନଦୀକି ଆସିଛି, ନଦୀ ଆହୁରି ବନ୍ୟା ପ୍ଲାବିତ ନଦୀଟିଏ, ସେଠି ଯିବା ସମ୍ଭବ ନୁହେଁ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ନୌକା। ତ ସେଠୁ ସେ ତା ପାଖରେ କହିଲା, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଇକ୍ୱିପ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସିଜ୍ ଫୁଲ। ଫୁଲଟା ଧରିଲା, ଦେଇ କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଷୀର ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଦେବି, ଯିବି, ନଦୀ ମୋତେ ବାଟ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେ। ଚାଲିଗଲା ଏବଂ ନଦୀ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଋଷିଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଯାଇ କ୍ଷୀର ଦେଲା, ଋଷି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ, ଆରେ ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଆସିବୁ? ନା ତମେ ମୋତେ କାଲି କହିଥିଲ ଏ ଫୁଲଟା ଧରିକି ଆସିଲେ ନଦୀ ବାଟ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବ, ମୁଁ ସେ ଫୁଲଟା ଧରିକି ଆସିଲି। ସେଠୁ ଋଷି ଭାବିଲେ ଯେ ଏମ୍ ଆଇ ସୋ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍, ଯେ ମୋ ମନ୍ତ୍ରିତ ଗୋଟେ ବାସି ଫୁଲଟା ସେ ନଦୀକି ବାଟ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛି। ସୋ ହି ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବାଇ ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ। ତେଣୁ ସିଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନିଜେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଫୁଲଟାକୁ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ନଦୀ କାହିଁକି ତମ ବାଟ ଛାଡ଼ିବ? So that is the critical juncture where the sannyasi knows what he does, but that milk woman, she doesn't know what she does. If cannot, she simply believes, ମୋତେ ସିଏ ମୋ ଠାରୁ ଏତେ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ପର୍ବର, ଏତେ ବିଜ୍ଞ ବିଦ୍ୱାନ, ସିଏ କ'ଣ କେବେ ମିଛ କହିପାରନ୍ତି? ଏ ଫୁଲର ସେମିତି ଶକ୍ତି ଥିବ ଯେ ମୋତେ ନଦୀ ପାର କରିଦେବ। ନଦୀ ପାର ହେଇଯାଇଛି। So how are you going to explain this fact? Even if it is a story, how are you going to assimilate in it your mind? ଯେ କେମିତି ଏ ଜିନିଷଟା ସମ୍ଭବ ହେଲା? ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଉଛି। କଟକରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖିଥିବେ, ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସବୁ ଯାଉଁ, ସାହିତ୍ୟ ବିଶ୍ୱ ମିଳନ ହୁଏ, ପ୍ରଜାତନ୍ତ୍ରକୁ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଦେଖୁଁ, ସେ ଯେଉଁ ସେ ଜାଗାଟା ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଯେଉଁଠି କଟକ ସିଟି କଲେଜ ଅଛି, ସେ ଝାଞ୍ଜିର ମଙ୍ଗଳା ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍। ସେଇଠି ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ବିରାଟ ବଡ଼ ଗାତ ଖୋଳା ହେଇଥିବ ଏବଂ ସେଠି ନିଆଁ ରଡ଼ ନିଆଁ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଜଳୁଥିବ। ତା ଭିତରେ ପାଖାପାଖି 50 ଫୁଟ ବା ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଲେସ୍ ଦାନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଏ ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ସେ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଥିବ ଏବଂ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟର କଥା, ତା ଗୋଡ଼ରେ ଫୋଟକା ହେଉନଥିବ। ମୁଁ ଜଳେଶ୍ୱର ଉତ୍ତର ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ବହୁ କାଳ ଥିଲି, ସେଠି ଚନ୍ଦନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ବହୁତ ଚଡ଼କ ମେଳା ହୁଏ। ସେଠି ସବୁ ଜିଭରେ କଣ୍ଟା ଫୋଡ଼ାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ପିଠିରେ କଣ୍ଟା ଫୋଡ଼ାନ୍ତି। ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ଡ ଟୁ ନୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଦେ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ଲିଡ୍। ଜିଭରେ କଣ୍ଟାଟା ଫୋଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିବ ଏବଂ ପିଠିରେ କଣ୍ଟା ଫୋଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ବ୍ଲିଡ଼ିଂ ହେଉନଥିବ।